Ebusuafo, mami mo bibia kwaba enfambra GCN page so. Mesro na wa subscribe to my channel. Na wodo unsa emia bell ne so. Ube notification. Ene sa ni news e de betum bia ubenye bia tie. Anase ubenye bia hwe ewo GCN page hamidi e de adwoa searching. Ghana fubi ena omode omo adwenkyere aba ewo abra neat FM dwumedi a watu ne de memanti ekoso. Na eda adwenkyere ena Ghana fubi ede eba Ghana fubi nsem omo eka ne se oman panyin dada John Dramani Mahama abra his excellency Nana Addo Akufo Addo sebi onyankopon ama ne nimdi adwen so omfembu oman Ghana no oman panyin dada so gina nchen ena kyereze obiti about the bush okeke nsem enhwe kwa memfa kwa na de ntina Ghana fo age geke komo adwen de atro oman panyin dada John Dramani Mahama ni na ne se Nana Addo atena se hu se Ghana ha ye bre na oman bia so oman ne betu mpon bekoso no na kire se oman no omo apomuden ho ahia papapa enti covid-19 ne bai Nana Addo hwe hu ya se Ghana ha no ye hospitals nye enough obi yare kra obre na de ade ntina no be simodin hospitals e the beds egum se na be ya your painful or yarefo kwa obeye comfortable na yare safo no so atumi ahwe no mo asa yare na wo ho ato na ena his excellence na Nana Addo Akufo Addo debe to just say obesi hospitals no bako 111 watu ni din agenda 111 na nse to odwan dis fo asom Nana Addo ntumi nye nden wo chena Nana Addo ntumi yo NPP forces Nana Addo betumi aye Ghana fo bi kra na omo nye NPP omo nye dis no bi mo se Nana Addo ntumi bi mo se Nana Addo betumi aye na den ti na bi mo kase Nana Addo ntumi ye because omo chese Nana Addo di nkan ahyebo when so into when so nya do betumi na na bi mo so kire se we di kan ahyebo no wanya kra mo manya hwe na adenti na oman ne yetini bibi papa bia ba and this first time say mo position mo pese mo ba power enti no na mo do mo ho agim ahopem je ne mo pese be yeye na ye na Ghana fu bi frɛ e wo dwumedi omo eye e wo nis FM man so dwumedi enti e no de tudwa na o cheze Nana Addo Nyankopɔn amane yanso odi buban no odi ebu oman no sorry oman penda da John Dramani Mahama ejina nchen ena ototo anyampia na nsem sen ena omode etudwa
in second no say fellow Ghanaians agenda 111 is better than one zongo one mortuary. Greetings Honorable Moses Abo and Colonel Damwa and Wadiaban Mami Soja former President John Dramani Mahama Bapa Bimpa de na MC Makan dada and Kuma Foster Odiana so Makan dada na or say Paulu said way Africa so American town. And was when you come to Awutu Senya East, we are all calling for Madam Anita Love or Bo Emisa because she's a very hard-working woman and she has a kind heart. Greetings, the communication boss Nana Kofi and Kaswa want to me. Polusena the way a buyer also showing live every Kentampo Mansia and was say please the problems of this country today is some of the generally they think it's their party in power and the people are saying good things. You are always covering up. Hey, ya gulimpe bro fi de mantias ye Mr. Osan Fabre Bio. And I say good afternoon, Bia. Please, my condolences to you and your family. May that say, Yamzi, I want you to know that some of us are not serial callers, but we contribute to your programs to set the record straight. Last 3 weeks on in one of your interviews with the Honorable Aipe about the one who secured the loan for the construction of the Pokwasi Interchange, he told you that it was former President Kufuor who contacted the loan from the African Development Bank before he left office. But when the NDC communicators come to your program, they say it's former President Mahama who left that loan for the construction of the Pokwasi Interchange. So don't let anybody come and lie to the listeners again. Your time for your programs for 2 days in a week is not enough. I would therefore like to appeal to Father Dixon. Hey, Bram Pacho Obekume, Mr. Tai, William Pacho, Mr. Wa, Mr. Heya. Salamu alaikum, Mr. Tai, you're kind of so well noted. Salamu alaikum, who can do 111 hospitals in 1 year? Wow, this is magician talk. It's 419. Isa Edway, every and Sawam Zongo and Wadeby. Auntie Biama, how are you doing? By grace, I'm doing good. I believe that the President Nana Addo Akufo Addo is making all efforts to contribute his time and wisdom to help the country to achieve what he has for the nation. So what former President Mahama is trying to say about Agenda 111 will definitely yield nothing good. The hospital projects will come on live and colored. Mami Gada, your funeral contribution will come to you. Isaac Theophilus abe konyansa me da se pa wo de fitama ene ba yem no what the ag builder makan wo de no positive change e the way Ephraim Madina and now the buy makan wo de no positive change Kwame Antwi e the way for new aplaku. It's time the public sector workers were told Ghana is fed up with their strikes.
I am not trying to say everything is well and perfect in Ghana. I will be a fool to say that. But I'm trying to say in some kitchen be a yamana baby and some kakaka, Emma Ghana for against Omunya Ghana crom no. It is being fueled by false propaganda. That is my problem. Because everywhere you are now, baby, I will be a so to find that. Catch me say, Muhu and Chimu during the COVID period. And even now, Mun can tell me say, oh UK, catch me. So, oh boy, UK the and you are in UK, no one placards, I would not bonting, say I fix the country, because I say, oh yeah, against also may against Ghana. Aren't you stupid? Aren't you stupid yourself? Boris Johnson crowd will problem over COVID. Boris Johnson, my whole prime minister no, was having issues with COVID. Had problems, he had to answer. Our parliament. And no who you can even offer placards to fix the country. You Ghana the air time because of politics in T and the Maka MPP communicators. If you do not echo, if you do not amplify a Juma Maya, NDC for no any propaganda, best say a Juma and not because at any point in time, Biano, on the scandal be batam. Napo Akako Pelona or Deba Commander Sugar Factory. Na NDC for sorry, hey, the government never called because one Commander Sugar Factory no never honor say no. You see this kind of stupidity? This is propaganda. This is what the NDC is known for. And no matter targeted an Addo, free SHS for now, what grooming omono, they have targeted them and the hashtag not to omtrim. In Tinkwalana Giomodi Benyan say, we swear in your yet because Captain Smart aka or Katacha Free Faka, Avram Ben Moshe aka. So now their mind is or 12 2 weeks per problem about. This is what is going on. And NDC for your imagine say, Senipa mi ensape na ekasa ma MPP dia. Omo de tro no betwamwa magana for ati. Only 3 people are speaking for MPP. Canada Japan, Kusibuafu Abronye. Abronye de modi na tema, but the guy is speaking the truth. Segeyenya sanko for sasuma kuma kotena anka Ghana for free Accra and Boliga. They will know the good works Nanado aye, even in this COVID. Even in this COVID. COVID we more than Numa Kese Eba Ghana just to give opportunity for people to be employed. Now unemployment rate in Swati. COVID we more. Niza nomine Sino track Muba Ghana. Still it was during this COVID because Ghana was viable for business. Inti mama NDC for na chantrosa propaganda school. Omaya ye timwa ebi mu se ye ne ye kwakire pofo se bi chantro. Eno pe me se omaya ye tim na me re ho ya se me tia Lote Jacob timi ka kire Ghana fo nyina se Charles Barron, and your point exactly is even almighty America borrows from China and Canada as well as nonsense. Oh please. And I mean person me did you attempt to they will make you a suggestion now. I will read it, don't worry. I'll read it. The world is not in good shape. The world is sick. The global economy is sick. And you Ghana nkwa ntiba umiammo ye te said ye Captain Smart air cano. No. IMF about Ababeka, and you can go and check on IMF official website. Since 1930, the Great Depression nearby, an economic shrinking to say 2020, 4.4%. And this is what get your facts right. IMF now, they came out and say we are seeing the global economy shrunk 4.4%. A BC that since 1930. During the Great Depression. And open economy, US economy,